morning children, how are you? As a part of geography, once again we will see about major oceans. The importance of major oceans actually there even in the map pointing also. In order to understand all the countries, you require little knowledge about major oceans. And you know that our planet, that is Earth, which is also called blue planet. Why our planet is called blue planet? Because our planet only has water. On our planet only there is a possibility for the existence of life. So our planet actually, which actually contains 71% of water, 29% of land. So our planet actually covers 71% with the water, 29% with the land. And this 71% water, that means the major oceans, that is 97% of the water which you can see on our earth surface, you can see these major oceans only. That means the water which present on our planet, that is 97% of the water which we find in our planet, completely the total water is in the major oceans. So these major oceans actually have 97% water. That means what about the 3%? 3% you may find that water in the lakes, in ponds, in some small rivers, in tanks, like that. So the water which you find on our planet, that is 97% water actually there in major oceans. And all these major oceans nearly cover 70% of the earth's surface. All the major oceans actually cover how much? 70% of the earth's surface. So don't get confused. Sir, already you told 71%, sir. Now you are telling 70%. I am telling only oceans. That means some lakes, rivers, ponds, other small water bodies also may cover little area now. That's why I am telling only major oceans cover 70%. So 97% of the water which you find on the planet, you can find in major oceans. So what are these major oceans? There are 5 major oceans on our planet. What are those? The first important one is Pacific Ocean. What is that Pacific? What is the first one? The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. And second important one is Atlantic Ocean. What is second one? Atlantic Ocean. Third one is Indian Ocean. And fourth one is Southern or Antarctic Ocean. And fifth one is Arctic Ocean. What are the 5 major oceans? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Among these, remember, the largest ocean is Pacific Ocean, smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean, which is the largest Pacific Ocean, which is the smallest Arctic Ocean. Okay. Now we will see about the first important one, Pacific Ocean. So just remember the 5 important points regarding Pacific Ocean. How this ocean actually got its name? Who actually named this? The person Magellan. Who named this ocean as Pacific? Because of its calmness. When Magellan was sailing on this ocean, he named this ocean as Pacific. That is some he believed that it is completely calm. That's why he named that ocean as a Pacific Ocean. And this ocean covers nearly 31%. That means the total water bodies, the total water which you can see on the earth surface, 31% water you can find in Pacific Ocean. And this Pacific Ocean actually in the what are the western boundaries? See, Asia and Australia. West what you find? Asia and Australia. And in the east you can find that is North America and east. North America and east. South America. Okay. That is second important thing what you have to know. And see in the map also. Now coming to the map. All of you observe here. So this is Pacific Ocean. Slowly observe the map. This is Pacific Ocean. Here also you find a Pacific Ocean. See here. Here also you find Pacific Ocean. Here also you find. So as globe in spherical shape, in the west of Pacific Ocean, what you are finding? Two continents, Asia and Australia. And completely east of Pacific Ocean, what you are finding? North America and South America. And north, what you find? Arctic Ocean. And in south, the waters of Pacific Oceans are joining into Southern Ocean. See here. Have you observed? And these are the boundaries. Now coming to the what are the important islands? Just remember some islands in the Pacific Ocean. For example, Japan is one island in Pacific Ocean. The countries which are very near to Pacific Ocean are somewhat this all these come. This is first one, Japan. Next Philippines. Okay. Next coming to here Australia also, New Zealand also. All these countries come under Pacific Ocean. Some islands also present. Slowly observe. Next coming here in the east side, Hawaiian Islands. What are these? Hawaiian Islands. Okay. Next some countries. These are all the countries. For example, USA you can find here, which is there beside Pacific Ocean, and Mexico also, which present to the east of Pacific Ocean. And here you can find Chile, Peru, Ecuador, all these countries in South America also present as border of Pacific Ocean. Some islands also observe. Hawaiian Islands I told you already. These are all the islands which you can find in the Pacific Ocean. Phoenix Island, here you can find Phoenix Island. Okay, Kirimati Island. So these are all the islands which you can find in the Pacific Ocean. And the last important thing you have to remember, the deepest part on the earth surface also, deepest part also you can find on the earth surface, that is Mariana Trench. What is that? Mariana Trench. Its depth is 11034 meters. So the deepest part also in Pacific Ocean you can find in the deepest part on the earth surface. You can find in Pacific Ocean. What is its name? Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench is the deepest part on the earth surface that you can find in Pacific Ocean. Even if that is Mount Everest also completely sink in the Mariana Trench. Why? Because the height of Mount Everest is 8848 meters. That means if you drop Mount Everest in Mariana Trench, you cannot see Mount Everest. So that much deep, that much depth you can find in case of Mariana Trench. So that is about the Pacific Ocean. Remember all this. Now coming to the Atlantic Ocean. So finally one more thing you have to remember regarding Pacific Ocean. That is Pacific Ocean which shape? Triangle shape. See here. Triangle shape. Remember, Pacific Ocean which shape? Triangle shape. Here also. triangle shape. Remember the shapes also. This is Pacific Ocean. Now coming to the second important ocean, that is Atlantic Ocean. What is second one? Atlantic Ocean. See, Atlantic Ocean is in S shape. Which shape? S shape. Remember the first point. And second point, how Pacific Ocean actually has 31% of water. Atlantic Ocean has 21% of the water. The total water which present on the Earth surface. That is 21%. And how you find borders to the Pacific Ocean. Here also for Atlantic Ocean, see the borders. Now coming to the map, all of you observe here. What you are finding here? Here you are finding Arctic Ocean. How Pacific Ocean is joining with Arctic Ocean. Here also Atlantic Ocean is joining with Arctic Ocean. Coming to the down, come down, joining to the Southern Ocean. So starting with the Arctic Ocean and joining into the Southern Ocean. And in the east, which continents you are finding? Europe, Africa. West, what you are finding? North America and South America. So in this way, so that is Atlantic Ocean is in a S shape. And one more important thing you have to find in Atlantic Ocean. Here you find one important thing, that is Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a Mid-Atlantic Ridge is a continuous mountain range which you can find in the ocean. You cannot find that. You cannot see that. But it is completely in the water. Nearly it extends 16,000 kilometers. How many kilometers? 16,000 kilometers. Remember. And how you find some islands in the Pacific Ocean? Even in Atlantic Ocean also you find some islands. Coming to some islands. See, in Atlantic Ocean, here you see the Caribbean Sea, West Indies you can find, Gulf of Mexico you can find, Hudson Bay you can find. Okay, so like that here also all these are all the some islands which you can find. Saint Helena, okay, where the Napoleon Bonaparte was sent. See, all these present in the Atlantic Ocean. So this is about Atlantic Ocean. And even see the border countries, Spain, Portugal, in case of African continent also, some countries, the Nigeria, and also here Mauritania, all these countries you can find in the Africa, particularly which are there very near to Atlantic Ocean. Remember this. This is about Atlantic Ocean. Next one, Indian Ocean. What is the next one? Indian Ocean. Next we will see Indian Ocean. Okay.